Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to grow fast on Monopoly Go. So, whether you're new or a seasoned player, I've got the best tips to help you dominate the board, collect rewards, and outplay your opponents. So, let's get started. Success starts with a strategy. Don't just roll the dice randomly. Pay attention to tiles ahead and aim for high value spots like railroads, utilities, or bank heists. Planning can make every roll count. Now, daily logins are an easy way to stack up dice rolls, coins, and even rare stickers. Make it a habit because you don't want to miss out on those free bonuses. Now, events are where the magic happens. They offer exclusive rewards like rare stickers, dice bundles, and coins. Focus on event challenges to gain an edge and rack up extra resources. If you've got duplicates, use them to trade for stickers you need. Completing sticker albums unlock powerful bonuses like extra rolls and multipliers. So don't let your extras go to waste. Multipliers can supercharge your rewards, but timing is key. Use them during big opportunities like bank heists or high reward tiles to maximize your payout. So that's how you can be successful and grow fast on Monopoly Go. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.